So my PlayStation was freezing on the startup all the time. So I turned it on safe mode by connecting the remote to the PlayStation, and then I had to touch on the remote to turn it on, and you can hear a beep, and after that beep you need to touch on the PlayStation and hold it for a few seconds until you hear a second beep, and then from there you're gonna turn off the PlayStation on the safe mode, and you have some options there. And I start by rebuilding the database, and it didn't work. It was freezing again. So this time, since I wasn't playing on my PlayStation for a while, I tried to use it to download an update and update the PlayStation. Uh, it was found an update, so I'm updating it now, and I will see if that fixes the problem. Otherwise, I will do the same safe mode boot and reset the PlayStation from the beginning. It will be like the last option. But yeah, it's better than having a PlayStation that doesn't work because it's freezing all the time. So let's see what happens next. Let's hope this fixes the situation. PlayStation was off. Now it's showing some light there. Let's see what's going on. System software update. This might take a while, guys. Or not. I guess having a SSD speed ups the process. Flashing the blue. Okay. Work please. Still flashing the blue. Okay. Repairing the console storage. Thank you. It seems like the storage was faulty for some reason. But the first time it starts freezing, it started with the remote. The remote was freezing, and while my daughter was playing a game, I couldn't go to the main screen. I was touching the PlayStation logo and nothing was happening. Okay, let's see now. Update. Okay. Finally. Yes. It's working now.